Aloha! This place is incredible. The views from here are amazing. I'm out of words to describe this. Even though it was one of my first flights with a drone, I prefer to have some people tell me I'm a terrible drone pilot than to miss this footage of the China Wall in Honolulu, Oahu, Hawaii. It's a bit tricky to find this place, but it's totally worth it. I hope you liked this and visit the China Wall when you are in Oahu. And don't forget, like this video, hit that subscribe and the notification buttons. Mahalo!